But I can't agree, 'cause the love you said you had.
Same songs but different.
It's like a
Now I gotta go.
$4 music of France.
say what you gon' do to me, but I ain't seen nothing.
And so, what we're going to do? Can ring up. Yes.
Buttons, babe, loosen up my buttons, babe. 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 Keep running, son, but you keep running. Say what you gon' do.
Generating more publicity for the show.
The show is so popular and him specifically.
The Peter Jackson soup sale is on now.
The constant long degrees.
Was so professional. He always
Opening 9 a.m. Tuesday. What a way. Sale starts 9 a.m. Tuesday.
owning his show.
Sean Michaela treats us to a secret family recipe.
I have no idea what I'm doing.
And join Rebecca Gibney and Jane Hall for a tour of majestic New Zealand. Wine Me Dine Me, Wednesday 7:30.
Channel 9.
Welcome back. It's time now for the P1 Supercar Showdown, our weekly excuse to see the world's fastest cars battle it out on the track.
Proceed to the highlighted route.
On the racetrack. Each week, the same track, different car from a standing start lap. The end result, one very quick winner.
Proceed to the highlighted route.
Clicks probably won't mean much. All-wheel drive offers tons of grip, which will really help corner speed and will be a factor.
Addicted to the drama, only attracted to things that'll bring the trauma. Overseas, yeah, we trying to stop terrorism, but we